the first prints for the p50. So got this printer going here, got another printer in here going, another one over here, and we've got another one inside the house going as well. So they're all printing the roof right now in quarters. So the 3 printers here and here printing, and we'll get these printers going as well a bit later. Still working on the files though. So yeah, we'll see what J2's got to hold for us when they actually finish printing something.